Good morning, children. Today Rohana ma'am again with English. Today, yesterday I had taken a video on reading of the lesson to you on Rani Kittur Rani Channamma. So today we'll go ahead with the question answers. I have written 7 question answers on the board. Since you all don't have the textbook, please listen to Rohana ma'am because I'll be reading out the questions. Plus, the question answers will be focused. In case you have any doubts, you can call up Rohana ma'am and ask to clarify the same. But I'll just read out the questions along with the answers, and you'll have to write these question answers in your classwork note. Okay, so there are 7 question answers for this lesson, children. First of all, when was Channamma born? Okay, when was Channamma born? Rani Channamma was born in 1778. The year is 1778. Rani Channamma was born in 1778. So that is the first answer. Rani Channamma was born in 1778. Now come to the second question. Who were her parents? Okay, so I've just given only the parents' name. So you just have to write only the parents' names. So the parents' name is Dullappa Gowda. Dullappa Gowda, who was the father, and Padmavati was the mother. Dullappa Gowda was the father and Padmavati was the mother. So Dullappa Gowda, the spelling DHULAPPA GOUDA. Dullappa Gowda. He was the father and Padmavati was the mother. Padmavati is PADMAVATI. Padmavati was the mother. I am even saying the spellings for children, so while you are writing the answers, you can if the board is not visible, you can hear my voice and write down the answers even. Third question, what books did she read? What books did Rani Channamma read when she was small? Remember I told you, she read the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. She read the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Ramayana spelling, children, RAMAYANA. Ramayana. Mahabharata spelling MAHABHARATA. Mahabharata. So she read Ramayana and Mahabharata. Then the next question. Where was the tiger found? Where was the tiger found, children? The tiger was found near the Kakati, Kakati Kakati village forest area. Where the tiger was found? It was found near the Kakati village forest area. So these are the 4 questions which are short answers. Now we come to a little longer answers. The 5th question goes as, who killed the tiger and how? Children, is it visible? Who killed the tiger and how? So you remember the story of yesterday, like I had said, Rani Channamma was riding a horse, then she started shooting arrows from a bow, and then she pierced the tiger with 2 arrows and the tiger was killed. So the same answer, Rani Channamma killed the tiger with 2 arrows while riding a horse. She killed the tiger with 2 arrows while riding a horse. Who killed the tiger and how? That is a simple answer. Rani Channamma killed the tiger with 2 arrows while riding a horse. That's your 5th answer. Coming to the 6th one. Why did the people go to Malas Raja? Malas Raja was a king whom the people went to request him to do something. Why did the people go to Malas Raja? The people went to request King Malas Raja to drive the tiger away. So the people went, you can say, why did the people go? The people went to request King Malas Raja, that's the king's name, Malas Raja, to drive the tiger away. Fine children, that's the sixth answer. Coming to the seventh one. Who married Channamma? Why did he marry her? So the question goes, who married Channamma? Why did he marry her? Now answer goes as such. King Malas Raja married her for her beauty and valor. For her beauty and valor. Who married Channamma? King Malas Raja married her. Why did he marry her? For her beauty and valor. So these are the 7 questions, children. I want you all to write it down in your classwork note, and I've read it out to you along with, it's on the board. If the board is not very clear, you can just hear Mrs. voice, write down the question and then write the answer. Take a picture and send it to me. Along with this notes, I'll be sending you the exercise of this lesson, children, that I'll be sending it to along with the video of this class. So you can work out on that on the classwork note only, so that you'll have your notes ready to study for the FA4 exam. Fine children, just this is the only thing that I want to give you all today, the question answers of Unit 5. Write it down in your classwork note and send me the pic. Fine? Thank you.